I have a hat on because this lace is looking a little suspicious.
I can hang around another night.
Hey Bougie Besties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm Miriam J. So in this video, I'm gonna be doing a Shein haul, but you're welcome because everything in this haul are Skims dupes. And everything here actually looks like a Skims product, okay? You will have people in the streets asking you, oh my gosh, are you wearing Skims? Yes, I am. Deadass, hope this lighting is good. But, so I got this set right here. All black set. Love her. It came with this cardigan. This is so cute. My last Shein haul actually did feature this 3-piece set, but in a nude color. I got this in a size medium. By the way, I'll be telling you guys my size throughout the video. I love the ratio. I like that the bottoms and the top are like true to size. They fit pretty tight, and the cardigan is like the perfect size. A lot of the times when you do 3-piece sets and they come with like, you know, an outer garment, the outer garment is never a vibe. The sizing is always off, but I love it. It's not too tight around my arms. It's like the perfect length. The material is knitted. It has buttons, so if you want to button this down, you have the option. Okay, so we have this black 2-piece set here. It is a ribbed black 2-piece set. I'm a little disappointed. I mean, obviously this is Shein. We should expect to have cheap quality, but this is like really bad. I wish they lengthened the top just like the tiniest amount. Literally, I just need it like a 1/2 inch. The bottoms are way too long for me. So I have a very short torso. So like, look how high these bottoms can come up, you know? So I don't like that. I don't know if the bottoms tried to make up for the top. And the bottoms, like the bottom of these pants are doing something I don't like. Man, I hope you guys can see me from here. I'll see if I can like zoom in. But they're doing some like, they're flaring a little. Yeah, these might get returned. It's not flattering at all. I'd have to wear these pants up here. And I already have a short torso, so now my torso looks even more short. Like, so we have another 2-piece set here. This is like this nudie 2-piece set. It is ribbed. I got this in a medium. I do wish the top like up here was a little tighter, but I'll just have to wear a bra because I just don't feel, I don't feel any support like at all, you know? I don't need much support, but I like to feel supported, you know? Again, with the top, I wish it was just a little bit longer, like to the tiniest amount. Mind you guys, this is my personal preference. There's nothing wrong with the length. If you like it, and go for it. Me personally, like I have really bad back rolls, and I just want to like be able, I just want to be able to cover it without having to worry about it, without having to constantly pull my shirt down in the back. That's like where my issue is. But other than that, I like this. I like the length of the pants. I feel like they're so perfect. It's not like, you know, showing any under booty, but it's also not like too long. Sometimes I don't really like super long biker shorts. Well, I guess these wouldn't be considered biker shorts. These are like considered shorts, like high-waisted shorts. But I do like this set. This set is pretty cute. It is giving me such Skims vibes. And yeah, this literally looks like the Skims everyday thin. I can't remember. This is cute. This is cute. The only thing is the band. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the band is just like, it's banding in places I don't want it to band. Know what I mean? Like, it's banding in places I don't want it to band, you know? And I don't know, like, this is super high-waisted, first of all. So go down a size with this. I could've got an extra small in this, I'm not gonna lie. So the top is a small, the bottom is a small. I could have went extra small with the bottoms, but then again, the band probably wouldn't have been banding even more. And but I did find that when I rolled it, it was pretty okay. Girl, this band is banding. Okay, and then the shirt is supposed to go over it. Okay, so I don't mind it like this. You'll have to cut the tag so it doesn't look tacky. But I love this set. This set is really cute. So this is in like a nice gray color. I love the top. Like, honestly, I really, really do like the top. It fits my arms really well. It's not like, you know, cutting off circulation in my arms. I kind of have fat arms. You know, I love the crew neck. The shoulder is pretty good. It's not that supportive, but it's more supportive than the last one, if that makes sense. But I like this. Okay, Yeah, roll it inward. You see how seamless that is? I like this. This is cute. Y'all, so we have a bit of a situation. I'm like looking at my order and I'm like, this is not everything. Anyway, I looked in my Shein app and half of my order hasn't been delivered. And half of my order is like the other half to some of these tops and bottoms. So these are the same pants that I had on before that match this top, but this is in like a mauve-y color. I'm actually not gonna keep this because I actually thought this was gonna match one of the tops. I don't know why. Child, I don't know why I thought this was gonna match this. And like this, what was I thinking? Honestly, this fits way better than the gray one. I don't understand the sorcery. So I got this beige two-piece set. This actually came in a set of 3. It came with a brown and a black set as well. So I got this in a size medium. I feel like I could have got a small, but I would have been upset with the small. Let me tell you why. The shirt is a little too short for me. However, I would have liked a little bit more support, right? And the bottoms, they kind of have that little, it's a little too big for me right here. So I'm gonna keep it because like it was cheap and this could be something I just wear maybe just around the house, honestly. Yeah, this is a house fit for sure. Yeah, I don't mind wearing this around the house. I'm not wearing this out the door. I don't like the way it fits. It looks weird right here. But I like the material. It's like cotton, you know? Well, it's probably not cotton. It's probably cotton-like, but it's not that polyester. Okay, so this is it in brown. It's cute. I just like, I don't know. There's just little aspects about it that just makes it look cheap. That's what it is. Like, the color is really nice. The concept is nice, but it just has little details that just make it look cheap, especially with the bottoms. It's just this banding and then the way it just, you know, I don't know if you guys can tell. Or maybe it's me. I don't know. But yeah, this is for sure gonna be a house fit. But I don't mind it as a house fit. So this is brown, again, in medium. And then, but I got this set of underwear and basically I tried it on. This is the underwear. I like for my underwear to fit a little bit more loose than this. This is a size medium, and this is their seamless underwear. This is how it's looking from the back. I mean, I can't return it, so I have to deal with it, but I'm gonna go back and order a large because I really like the way this fits, and it's so thin and seamless. But this reminds me of like the Skims underwear, and it has cotton lining. We love cotton lining. Darker nude, mauve-y, this dark mauve color, this light brown, beige. This is like a darker brown, black. This is like a light mauve. Okay, so I'm featuring this in this video because this reminds me of the new Skims swim line a little bit, but I got it in pink, and I've also seen Kim Kardashian wear something like this, but I wanted to include it in this video because it reminded me of that swim line. But this is cute, okay? This is really cute. I love it. I mean, the material is pretty cheap, but this is really cute. It's pretty short. It's pretty short. I don't know if you guys saw this video of this girl on TikTok, and she like sewed an elastic band on the back of all of her skirts that like are too short, and it makes it stay in place. Like, you know, it'll ride up, but it won't like ride up above your butt or above like the goods. But yeah, so this is a 2-piece set. This is a crop top with a mini skirt. I think this is so cute. This like really fits my figure very, very well. It's super fun. I'd wear this for like a birthday. This is really cute. This is really, really cute. I'm gonna give you guys a little up close. I'm in love with this outfit. I literally feel like a Barbie. I have to do a shoot in this outfit. I have to. Okay, this set is pretty cute. I don't know if this is on the Skims roster, but I did order this and I wanted to include it in this haul. The top says Hawaii, USA. I really do like this outfit. This is like a nice little outfit to throw on, go run some errands. This set is a size small, which is so crazy to me because the shorts have a lot of room. And I think about girls who are smaller than me all the time when I'm in this situation. I'm like, dang, so this is like, you're like drowning in these outfits. But it's like nylon material, that polyester nylon. But we do have pockets, okay? We have some pockets. And it also says Hawaii, USA on the bottoms. It is ribbed. All right, so it's the next day. The other part of my order was in the mailbox, and I was not doing that yesterday. I have a hat on because this lace is looking a little suspicious. I have another two-piece set. This is the same one as the, I forgot what color, but this one is in brown. Love her, literally fits the exact same. Top and bottom are smalls. Oh, I feel like this is a little too close to my skin tone. Maybe not, I don't know. So I have another one in like this lighter brown color. Now this is pretty flesh toned, at least from the viewfinder. But literally same situation, top small, bottom small. I love this set. This set is, these sets are hitting. I just don't like the bands. The bands need to be a little thicker, or just don't put them at all, because they're just like squeezing in areas that I don't really like. Okay, so same bottoms. This top didn't have matching bottoms on Shein. Maybe they did and it sold out and they took it off the site. But the mauve shorts were the shorts that I thought were gonna go with this. I don't know why I thought that, but I'm still gonna keep this top because I don't mind it with these bottoms. I think it's a pretty cute combo. It's still that, you know, cute, chic, monotoned, effortless look, but literally the same top, size small. Okay, so literally same situation, but in black. We have the black biker shorts, and then the same black top, small, small. The biker shorts are so long. I just wish they were a little shorter. Like, I just need this much off. But I guess I can always just, like, you know, bring them up a little and have some scrunch action up here. But we're cute. So cute. I got this black bodysuit. It's not a thong, but it's also not full booty, if that makes sense. So yeah. Same pants, small, small. I love this. This whole collection, or this whole haul, loved it. Like, I really found some good Skims dupes, because y'all know Skims ain't cheap. So I got all of these for literally a quarter of the price. As always, I'll link everything down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.